Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Rackspace cloud servers and firewalls, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Rackspace account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Cloud Control panel. On the left sidebar, select the Servers option. You will see a list of your active cloud servers. Identify the server you wish to uninstall. Click on the server name to access its details. In the Server Details page, locate the Delete button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the server. Review the information carefully. If you are ready to proceed, click Confirm Delete. This will initiate the uninstallation process for the selected server. Next, navigate back to the left sidebar and select the Firewalls option. In the Firewall section, you will see a list of configured firewalls. Identify the firewall you want to remove. Click on the firewall name to view its details. Similar to the server section, locate the Delete button for the firewall. A confirmation pop-up will appear for the firewall deletion as well. Ensure you've selected the correct firewall before proceeding. Click Confirm Delete to remove the firewall from your account. After you have completed these steps, verify that both the server and firewall are no longer listed in your account. It may take a few moments for the changes to reflect on your dashboard. Make sure to check your billing section to confirm that no charges are associated with the uninstalled resources. If needed, log out of your Rackspace account once you have confirmed everything is processed correctly. This concludes the uninstallation process for Rackspace cloud servers and firewalls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.